Welcome to the weekly news update here on Cryptotvplus. It's the 17th of November 2022 and I'm Nike Oshunniyi, bringing you the weekly dose of blockchain news. Coming up, El Salvador to buy Bitcoin every day. Celebrity FTX backers sued by crypto investors. Temasek writes down $377 million investment in FTX. XT.com launched FIFA World Cup campaign. Events packed for the month of November and more. Quickly on the market rates today. Bitcoin is at $16,500. Ethereum is at $1,194. BNB is at $266, and the dollar to naira rates at 795. Now let's get you updated on the crypto weekly news. First up, as the world's first nation to adopt Bitcoin as a legal tender in September 2021, El Salvador is going back to its Bitcoin buying days after a pause for months amid bearish market conditions. El Salvador President Nayib Bukele announced on the 16th of November that the Central American nation will stop purchasing Bitcoin on a daily basis starting from November 17th. The announcement comes nearly 3 months after the nation made its last Bitcoin purchase in July 2022. We are buying 1 Bitcoin every day starting tomorrow. That was according to Nayib Bukele. However, with the advent of the bear market by the second quarter of 2022, El Salvador's early Bitcoin purchases started to look like a gamble that incurred heavy losses. According to the public records, El Salvador currently holds 2,381 Bitcoin at an average buying price of $43,357. Thus, the country has spent nearly $103 million on its Bitcoin purchase, and the value of the same Bitcoin currently sits at $39 million. Next up, U.S. crypto investors sued FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried and several celebrities who promoted his exchange, including NFL quarterback Tom Brady, claiming they engaged in deceptive practices to sell FTX yield-bearing digital currency accounts. The proposed class action filed in Miami alleges that FTX yield-bearing accounts were unregistered securities that were unlawfully sold in the United States. FTX filed for bankruptcy and is facing scrutiny from U.S. authorities amid reports that $14.8 billion in customer assets were shifted from FTX to Bankman-Fried's trading company Alameda Research. At least $1 billion in client funds are missing, sources reported. The lawsuit seeks damages from Bankman-Fried and 11 athletes and other celebrities who promoted FTX, including David, the creator of Seinfeld and Curb Your Enthusiasm. David starred in a commercial for FTX that aired during the 2022 Super Bowl, in which he portrayed fictional characters, dismissing important innovations throughout history, and ended with the message, "Don't miss out on crypto." Brady's ex-wife Gisele Bündchen, NBA star Stephen Curry, and Shaquille O'Neal, and tennis ace Naomi Osaka were also named in the suit. Meanwhile, Singapore state investor Temasek Holdings said it will write down the value of its entire investment of $275 million in collapsed cryptocurrency exchange FTX in the latest move by FTX's investors. In view of FTX's financial position, we have decided to write down our full investment in FTX, irrespective of the outcome of FTX's bankruptcy protection filing, Temasek said in a detailed statement. FTX's other backers such as SoftBank Group Core Vision Fund and Sequoia Capital have also marked down their investment to zero after FTX, founded by Sam Bankman-Fried, filed for bankruptcy protection in the United States last week in the highest profile crypto blow-up to date. Temasek said it had invested $210 million for a minority stake of about 1% in FTX International and $65 million for a minority stake of about 1.5% in FTX US across 2 funding rounds from October 2021 to January 2022. Temasek said it currently had no direct exposure in cryptocurrencies. To close out the news today, to celebrate the 22nd FIFA World Cup, cryptocurrency exchange XT.com is hosting a series of World Cup-themed online and offline events with plenty of fabulous prizes. The festivities include co-marketing events, spot and futures events, NFT events, trading competitions, and more. To kick off the festivities, XT.com is hosting warm-up events to get into the football spirit, such as Shoot the Ball and Spin the Win, from the 9th of November to the 19th of November 2022. The Shoot the Ball event will give participants who open a futures account an opportunity to win a share of the 600,000 USDT prize pool. As the name suggests, the Spin to Win warm-up event will give participants the opportunity to win prizes by spinning a prize wheel and by completing the tasks. There will also be prizes of up to 1 Ether for those who hit the jackpot, as well as other cryptocurrencies. On blockchain events for the month of November, AIBC Europe. AIBC is attracting at least 100 top-tier influencers to its Malta Summit this November. Taking place at the Malta Fairs and Convention Center from the 14th to the 18th of November, the 5-day event is set to host 25,000 delegates for an incredible super show. Following previous success, this year's summit will welcome an all-star list of industry thought leaders and offer unparalleled access to premier networking opportunities, conferences, and expos. And that's it for the weekly news updates here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at CryptoTVPlus, and on Instagram at officialCryptoTVPlus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news as whole, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Nike Oshunniyi. Until next time.